Welcome to 2-minute lessons. In this lesson, I will talk about nervous tissue. Nervous tissue forms the entire central nervous system and peripheral nervous system in your body. Nervous tissue contains two distinct cells, neurons and glial cells. Nervous or nerve tissue is the main tissue of our nervous system. Brain, spinal cord, and nerves are composed of nervous tissue. They are specialized for being stimulated to transmit stimulus from one to another part of the body rapidly. They monitor and regulate the functions of the body and provide nutrients to neurons. Nervous system in your body has two major parts, as I said earlier, called the central nervous system, that is composed of the brain, spinal cord, and the branching peripheral nervous system that runs through the body and also in the organs of the central nervous system. The cell body in a nerve cell is its core. It is also called soma or cyton. The cell body consists of the nerve cell, nucleus, and specialized cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria. The cell body is an essential part of a neuron and carries genetic information. It also helps maintain the cell's overall structure and provides energy to carry out the cell's activities. The next part is the axon. An axon is a part of the nerve cell, which is a long tube-like structure, as you can see in this image, that joins the cell body at a specific position. The axon is coated with layers of myelin, which is a fatty substance that insulates the neuron from electrically charged atoms and molecules. The axon is primarily involved in carrying the electrical signals from the cell body to the neuron ending and transmitting it to other neurons. As you can see, the highly branched processes are called dendrites. They connect one nerve cell to another cell. The small space or gap between the nerves is called the synapse that acts as a specialized nerve point. The outermost layer that covers the neurons is called the myelin sheath. It protects and insulates nerve fibers just like plastic that insulates the wires inside. Dendrites are responsible for receiving information from other neurons and the synapse. Information of other neurons is provided by dendrites to connect with its cell body. Information in a neuron is unidirectional as it passes through neurons from dendrites across the cell body down the axon. Nodes of Ranvier are located between sheaths of myelin. They facilitate speedy electric transmission. The axon here stays uninsulated at equidistant points, which are, as I said, called the nodes of Ranvier. Next part in the nerve is the nerve ending or axon terminal. This is the distal part of the axon that comes in contact with other cells. It contains a large number of mitochondria that produce the energy required to facilitate neurotransmissions. The squam cells, also known as a type of glial cells, are present exclusively in the peripheral nervous system. The squam cells play an essential function in the development, maintenance, and regeneration of the nerves in the peripheral nervous system. The squam cells are also known as neuromyocytes. Now take a look at this image and try to identify the different parts in the given diagram. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Meet you in my next.